Why pre? I'm here waiting. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Me get it. Okay. I'm so free.
Boom.
Hello.
Alright, Bryson.
How are you?
You know, I'm there up on the battlefield.
Great, 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 great.
Yeah.
How was the Christmas? How was your holiday season? Your holiday season?
Well, you don't know. It's not a Christmas man still, but Joe to the season still, you know? That's all the vibes and, you know, me and my daughter, you know, do some things, cook some food and all the vibes. You see what I say?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't know, we don't really celebrate Christmas and them thing there, but due to we in the season and we under the lockdown and thing, you know.
yeah, that was my next question. How do you manage during the corona, the pandemic with the family? I know you have kids. How do you manage? How are they feeling about everything?
Well, them kind of, me tell you, it's the truth, they don't really understand certain things to the fullness, you know, like we do. Because them young and, you know, they kind of worried certain way.
Yeah, yeah.
Because,
With the online schooling, how did that go? The online class?
no, they kind of worry about them future because they don't really understand what going on.
Yeah.
So me I say, I mean, I just talk my children them. I talk
Every,
majority of the kids them across the globe, you know.
yeah, yeah,
They don't really understand where I go on and they don't understand that, you know, the future don't look so proper for them. See, well, would I say they understand that still. That's why them kind of worried, you know, about them future.
yeah. Do you think this corona is gonna go away soon? Anytime soon?
Well, I don't know if anything is there to go away, you know. I don't know if anything such as corona is there to go up. Because we live with corona every day. See, corona was something that not go away. Corona is corona is different varieties of viruses.
Yeah.
Yes, what I mean, say?
Mm-hmm.
That is corona. Seeing a simple flu-like symptoms, a corona that. Seeing so, we don't know how they are killing off people them so. It looks strange to me. So whatever out there, you never put it under the name corona. But whatever out there is plaguing people,
Mm-hmm.
whether it's a man-made thing or it's a natural thing, I hope it go on where it go soon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so take me through your journey as before you started music, before you was shocking more. Who was you? What you wanted to be? Like you always wanted to do music, or you had other dreams, like becoming a doctor, a lawyer? What was your dream to become? Or was it always about music?
Well, let's say from I was a youth, I knew what I want to be, you know, and I know I want to be what I'm doing. I want to do music because you know, since I was a child, you know, me always a rhyme up the place and I entertain my family them and my little virgin them and my little cousin them and so. I have a cousin named Tanya, she used to give me, every evening she used to give me one of her dumpling to sing for her out her dinner, you see me?
So how old were you? From what age you started?
Well, you know, since me was like 6, 7, me I put rhymes together still.
So you're
You know
born,
what I
you're
mean?
born with it as a talent.
Yeah, it's an inbound concept. So from them time, them know as a little youth, me never understand certain things until when me start was school now. And me I listen to King Sterogaf and Kilimanjaro and them sound upon cassette, you know, upon the corner with them elderly brethren, Fabulous and Bungage with them upon the corners out of Snowell Crossroad. I play them cassette and, with Josie Whale and Charlie Chaplin and them bridging there. I come from school and I hear them thing there. I like them thing there and I say, boy, that one. You know what I say? So this is when me little youth about school, but when me was like 7 years old, me start put rhymes together and I entertain my family them in the yard and I'm like a friend them and thing. You know what I mean?
So how you got in the music industry? How did you get in the music industry? What year did you start? What year?
I would say professionally, I got into it around 1990. But in the 80s, in the 80s, me I ram dancehall and dip on stage show all over the place.
Give us a little piece of your first tune from them time there. Give us a
I
little.
give a piece of the first thing when me make up when me about 6 years old. Then time I ever sing it exactly how me used to sing it. Because then time I could even speak properly.
Wow. Okay.
And they go like, Mr. Cooper. Me know an old man named Mr. Cooper. He walk up on the street and just be a beggar. He walk from here go to Port Maria. I beg 50 cents and him a beg a daya. I beg cigarette and him a beg ganja. He chose his body tear like thief and robber and see them down under him like it a true signature. You mean true signature? That am my first.
So how far did that went? What happened?
Well, then time they are liquor you about 6, 7.
Okay, 6.
So we just have them lyrics are true in my community, amongst my family and my little cousin them and when me go basic school and we have a lunch time and we are run up and out the door and play me I sing some little something for my little friend them. And so that me never go professional with that. That was just from the initial stage of me, putting words together and rhymes. You know what I mean? But when we start sight it up now, when we decide say other way I'm want go, and when we start go to school, we left basic school and go primary school, and then now we start go to St. Margaret's Bay all age school, and when I come from school at evening time, me hear the birds in them on the corner, the elderly birds in them like Bangy Dread, Fabulous, Rambo and all them brethren there on the crossroad out of Snow. I played the Kilimanjaro and the King Sterograph cassette them with Super Cat and Josie Wales and them man there. A DJ upon microphone. Seeing so when me hear Josie Wales and Charlie Chaplin, cause they were my favorite. See, so when me hear them man I say, I'm Peter Metro too. You know what I mean? So usually I say I them man I want to be like, So from I was that tender age, I knew what I wanted to be when I grew up. You know what I mean? So I just nurtured it. See it coming up in the 80s now, I start up on the sound here, the Libratone in my community down at Gully. Seeing and start to, the first person who put a microphone in my hand is a virgin named Sandy from half of my place. Cause I come from a place in Portland named Snowhill. And in Snowhill you have many different communities. You have Hilltop, so me come from Hilltop. That's why you hear me say me at the Hilltop Gov. Seeing Shocking Murray, the Hilltop Gov, the renovator. You see what I say? So me come from a place near Hilltop and then you have Gully. And you have a sound down a Gully near Libratone. So me used to go down a Gully from me about 9. Make me little thief and go down there on Sunday. Take with the mic from the money man give me because they never want to give me the mic. So I virgin one of my neighbor named Sandy now, serious youth. Him the first man put a mic in my hand on a Libratone. And my DJ Mr. Cooper and then something and mash up the place. See it?
So as you started music to now, compared to now, has anything changed over the years in the music industry? Talk about Bad Mind.
There's a lot changing in the music industry. The music industry totally changed. Well, Bad Mind in the music industry, I think it really escalates, It escalates in a way. bad mind in the music business from day one still, you know, but it never did so prevalent. You used to have one or two people that are jealous. But back in them day there, you know, see it run in the 80s and them time there. Artists is more loving and more helpful to them one another. You know what I mean? To defend them one another and support them one another more. You know what I mean? But nowadays appear envy and gang, and if you're a man, they're a friend. Yeah, if you're the artist, you're a friend, not to want to on the same show with you, you know, want to on the same rhythm with you. It's only because you idiot thing. And this jockey them get corrupt. This jockey them on the radio. Seeing the whole music business corrupt. Yeah.
So when did you came to Germany? What year? You live in Germany, right?
Huh?
You live in Germany at the moment, or where are you?
Yeah, I reside in Germany at the moment, and we came to Germany in 1996. Me and Antonio De Lero.
Okay.
We came on a tour in Europe.
Mm-hmm.
You know, see.
And, so how was that? Since that many doors opened for you since you came to Europe?
Me kick off a couple doors, yes, because from Jamaica I kick down a couple doors, but let me go back now. Alright, you see in the 80s, usually DJ upon Libertone sound from your youth till me come a teenager, and then me start venture out of my community from out of Snoil, and me start go all over Portland now, but DJ upon sound system like Mandela sound. We used to have a big sound in my area to the Aquarius, till me start go out, become a resident DJ upon that sound to Aquarius. And me a DJ upon Mandela, me a DJ upon Celebrity, and next sound from in my community to big up Daddy was them, Celebrity and Daddy Fish, big up them brethren there. And then now, me dey all about over Portland, till me link up with Singing You, Night Talk and Wise Man and Blackout J.A. and you know, Daity. We used to DJ together with a brethren and Daity from out of my community and Daddy Fish, you know, see it. And Briggy Go, Shaka Switch, you know, Bigger Shag, the original Shaggy. The whole of them brethren they used to dep on the same sound system down there, gully there. Seeing, and when we venture out and they're all over Portland now, DJ upon stage show and sound system like Triller Tone from a Bible. You know, see that whole heap of sound, some of them can't remember out in the eastern part of Portland, pan symphonic. You know, see it up Louis culture come from, cause Louis culture grew up in a same community, you know, cause me left no longer a Windsor Forest up in the East Portland go live with my auntie. And me know Louis culture from my liquor youth, and the whole of our liquor youth up there. We used to DJ upon one sound named Concord, were owned by two brothers, Gary and Danny. You know, see it. So that in the 80s, you know, see it until, you know, we start venture out of Portland now and start going to Kingston down the south side and them place there. And go all about na Kingston, go mash up some show and start venture down Westmoreland way there. And remember me used to go, me go one place named Bombay in a Manchester. And I go Mandeville and take one bus and go, we on country place, we go mash up through one of them place. And a Clarendon, seeing you, where this place I mean Trapitan and so whole of place, I never remember that some of the name them, St. Thomas. All about, we start venture out in Jamaica, so till in the about 1990, I met a producer named Ayos. Seeing, because him hear me and sing a song pan Celebrity Sound System one night. And him just a come from prison. And he have a big fat piece of money to spend. We don't know what to do with it. So him hear me pan a sound a DJ, pan Celebrity Sound, and me a DJ a style where me a say, bad things happen but I know me can't say. Bad things happen but I know me can't say. I like them a tell for me. I like them a tell for me. Like them a tell for the Shakid Murray. Bad name, and that the people them want give me. Bad name. Because me and a guy, they have a altercation verbally, and it went out into a physical altercation, and me have to knock him with a rock, and him get knocked out, and end up in a hospital. See him because I run me down with a erratic knife. So me have to defend myself. And me knock him with a rock, them time me a young youth. So me knock him with a rock and him knock out and end up in the hospital, and me have to take for myself, because police are look for me. You see what me I say? So me go spend a couple of years out of grass there and coming back in the community now and build the lyrics that me I say bad things that but I know me can say. So when me a DJ that on Celebrity Sunday night, I just come from prison and I just claim that he went to prison innocently because what them accuse him of, him not guilty of it. So when him hear me I sing this song no bad things happen but I know me can sing, came to me and I cry tears out of my eye. Like me I talk about real tears, eye water. And I said, when he hear me I sing this song, you know, he gets so emotional that him have to cry because he just a come from prison innocently. You know, see it, and him, I'm a bad artist. So he want to produce me. So him are the first man in 1990 take me to Jack Scorpio Kingston, inner Kingston, with Devon Bradshaw, Junior Mervyn, rest in peace, seeing King Noah, and you know, and Stone Age and Daddy Fish and all of God's studio and them build over the bar boom rhythm, and that's how I do my first recording. That is the first time I go in a studio to record a song in a Jack Scorpio studio 1990. On the bar remake of the bar boom rhythm. And that song titled Jump. Seeing, and that song went out. Then the second song me do, I want song named Big Chest. Big up your chest, big up your breast, and it's automatic and no girl can't test. That's what me I said that the second song me do, pan the highest labor. Yeah. Seeing?
So coming to Europe now, what have changes? I mean, like, you said many door opens, like what?
All right, I'm going to tell you now. Here what happened now.
Tour around Europe, you know, you used to tour around Germany. But
I'm big all this
what's the proudest moment? One of your proudest moments?
One of my proudest moments?
Yeah.
Why I hold for them, you know. Hold for them. Let me see if I can pick out one. Let me see if I can pick out one. Yeah. All right. One of my proudest moment is when me and Antonio De Lera came to Europe, and the first show we did is in a city called Innsbruck, in Austria, seeing on a festival, and me and Antonio was representing Jamaica, and because it was a multi-festival, we have artists from Japan, Africa, the US, all over the world. And me and Antonio De Lera was the only Jamaican artist on it. So there we met the Jungle Brothers, and the Jungle Brothers, them are some foundation hip-hop man them. Seeing that them man, they used to run the hip-hop thing then time that. Seeing, and, you know, when we go up on stage and mash up the place, and the Jungle Brothers, them could have come to we and show respect and love the work and, you know, big way up and thing. Yeah, we're proud of them thing there. You see what I say? But a whole heap of thing we're proud of. You know what I mean? But that's just one out of many.
Yeah, my next question is, you know, I'm a female and I represent the girls then, you know? Why is it so hard for us females to, why is it so hard for us in the business as females? That's what I hear. I'm not an artist, but that's what I hear. The woman, them have it hard. Why? Because we have some bad things. The girls them bad. The artists, the artists them, the new artists them that come up now, most of them bad. So, but we hear to them against no fight. Why? Why is that?
Here what now? Music is a dirty thing. Music is not a dirty thing. Sorry, me take back that. Music business is like drugs business. Yeah. It's a dirty game. I pay a liar and thief in a music. Yeah. See? Enough man where you hear out here sing about, see Rastafari, God, Jesus, Lord. some of my wickedest people, them burn some of them. They hear about out Selassie name out there. And about out Jesus' name and Lord God Almighty. See? In this business, you're full of corruption. People hold on people, if people go through. Artists hold on artists, if go through. And I pure them something that me experience enough of them things there with fellow artists. You understand? And so I know female alone I get a fight in the music. And I know female alone it's hard fight. It's hard for both male and female. It's all about the selected few. Seeing? Because the industry, the people them up in at the top of the music industry, we are around the industry, we are select one who for boss. Seeing? And them just select who they want, whether male or female. And you did your work off your shot the whole year. Years upon years as male and female. And you just, like you're stuck at one place. Seeing? And if them pick out an artist and say, alright, just the artist there. And him we have us. Seeing? Notice now in the music industry, now one set of people you always see in it. On top of it, when the Grammy them are give out in the US and all them places, a reggae Grammy, always the same artists them are nominate. Seeing? Yeah. So female artists, it's hard for female artists and it's also hard for male artists. It depends. But I look on wait. Enough female artists fight their way through, likewise male. You understand? It never easy for enough of them. Enough male artists and just do one song and it just bust. But don't ever look our. Seeing? Likewise some female artists too. Spice and Ladies and Shenae are them. You know what I mean? Them big in the music thing.
So what do you think them do different? What do you think them do different than artists?
Sometimes I know what they do different really, you know, is sometimes who you link with, you know. And sometimes
like a good producer?
You can link with a good producer and you're not gonna be the same way. Yeah. But you see, like I said, the music industry set away and it's all about the selected few. So you have some people up in at the top of the music. And then we close the door upon you and you have fight to go through and you not go through. But if you link with certain people when know certain people and money, this thing is about money too. See? So if you link with all a Godfather, we have a whole of money you can spend on your career, to push your career through. See, you will get a go through. If you just have the right link. You know what I mean? So
the producers you work with, are they good producers? What's the difference? What are some of the producers you work with? You don't have to call names and just asking.
No man, how you mean? Why am I not call name?
Yeah.
We have some of this is not a private business, but about music. See them you say a producer a thief. I can't call the name and say I'm a thief.
You see that me no want.
No, we are talking about music business.
True.
See, we work with a lot of producers, man. We work with like I said, the first producer I work with is Ios. Ios also treat me good. See, Ios also treat me good. See, respect, big up Ios, the first man who came to go studio go do professional recordings.
Yeah.
See, because before me do that, music go studio go do dub play for Celebrity Sound and Mandela Sound them and some sound. You know what I mean? I say?
Yeah.
But officially, recordings, Ios are the first producer I work with. Then we work with Skanka. When we do the one song me Woman You want with Anthony Delera, but them time the Anthony Delera they do singing Morris. And that song they do well out in the earth.
Yeah.
Then we go for Boops and who again we work with as producer in them times, you know. We go for Boops and we link up with Michael Rhodes. And Michael Rhodes bring me to Squidly Cool. No, he bring me to Sly and Robbie, but Sly and Robbie they want to produce me, but then they busy at the time. So Michael was bring me to Squidly Cole, that's a Stranger Cole's son. And Squidly Cole now is a drummer, also a producer, and him is a drummer for the Marleys them, for Junior Gang them. And him also a drummer for Jimmy Cliff. He used to tour with the Marleys them, tour with Jimmy Cliff. And so Squidly produced some songs for me. We work with a producer like Squidly, produce songs like Heaven, Holidays and Position. And them song there from me I tell about in about 1991 this now. So me I say them work with some other producer in a Kingston like Richie and
Richie Feeling?
no Richie. Then tell Richie Feelings good at him born yet. You know what I say? Yeah, so me not remember all I producer them, but me know so when me and Anthony Delero came to Europe to do on this tour, we work with Sun Vibes, man them like Ross Flabber them saying when they left Germany and come to Jamaica 1995 and we do some recordings at our studio in Celestial Sound in a Kingston with Scatterburrell.
Yeah.
See, so